Hey, this is SLE Equipment. We're located in Antioch, Tennessee, 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee. You can find us on our website at sleequipment.com, or you can call us at 615-641-7720. Today we're looking at our Toro TimeCutter HD series. This is going to be a semi-commercial unit. This machine has a 48-inch deck. Start off with the 48-inch deck. It's a fully welded deck. You got front scalp wheels on your left side, your right side, and the middle to help you not scalp your yard. Up front on this machine, there's a smart speed control system where you got your trim, your tow, and your mow. On the left hand side of your mower deck, there is a deck spout for a quick connect to clean your deck out with a water hose. On the left hand side of your machine, you're also going to have your first cup holder with your gas tank. On the back of your machine, this is going to have a Toro V-twin 22.5 horse commercial Toro. On the right hand side, you got your dipstick, your oil filter, and your oil release valve through there. On your right hand side, you got your cover that covers your battery. You have your PTO. You have a 12-volt battery hookup. You got your key. You got your throttle. I'm sorry, your throttle and your choke. On the right hand side of your deck, you also have another deck quick connect for a water hose, as well as your chute. This machine has a Hydro Gear 3100 transmission on it, so it is a semi-commercial transmission, and this is going to be your semi-commercial entry-level semi-commercial Toro. This is Chase at SLE. You can contact us at 615-641-7720 or look us up online at sleequipment.com.